How to put digital creative on Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First thing first, open up your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and you can see the option of help and support. And then you can see the option of creative support. So just tap on that. Now, on the search bar, you can just search for digital creator. So just type in digital creator in the search bar. So now you can see different options. You just need to scroll down. You can see the option of access creator support from Facebook. Tap on that. And when you tap on that, you'll be led to this page where it says that this feature is only available to some people at the moment. So there is no direct way of putting digital creator on Facebook profile. You'll have to wait until it gives the access. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.